Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to read the phonic reader, and in phonic reader we read 3-letter words with the help of phonics. But in the phonic reader there are some words which are called sight words, and we read them as it is because they don't have phonics and we can't read them phonetically. Now we will read page number 41 and 42. Here is page number 41. Let's read it. The cup is hot, hot. The cup is hot. The nib is red, red. The nib is red. The hat is on the log. The hat is on the log. The bed is in the hut. The bed is in the hut. The gun is on the rug. The gun is on the rug. The pen is in the mug. The big cat sat with the fat dog. The big cat sat with the fat dog. Now read page number 42 by yourself. Here is an activity. Now you have to rewrite the following sentences as I have given example here. You have to write the spellings in place of pictures as I did for the first two pictures. I have written the spellings of cap and log. So you have to write all the sentences like this. First sentence is the cap is on the log. Second, the gun is on the rug. Third, the bed is in the hut. Fourth, the pen is in the mug.